So we got a 1997 Avalon, right?
Correct.
And we can't get the shifter out of park.
It won't come down into park.
So start it on.
Foot is on the brake. It will not come down. I'm trying to pull it towards me and pull down. It will not do it. It will not do it. But right here, there's a small access door. Uh-oh, do you have an extra key?
No, go ahead and take it out. Or shut it off.
Okay, so I'll turn it off. I'll just steal the key itself. Maybe I'll have to use the house keys better. You could use a screwdriver.
Or a knife.
You just pop that off. You can see what we popped off there.
Can you see inside there, or is it just you got to feel
yeah,
around?
you can look up there. So right now you should be able to see inside there. I don't know if are you getting up into there enough? There we go. Maybe I can hit it that way without you. There we go. Okay, and then this piece here comes down.
Oh yeah, look at that.
So right there, push down.
So if you have skinny fingers, you can actually just put your finger in there.
You can't see it with my fingers in, but yeah, you just come down and
boom.
Or use the pen technique.
Pull the key out.
Mm-hmm.
Put your finger in there and see if it'll.
Oh, my finger itself can just pull down on this plastic. You can reach in there.
Now see if the throttle or the shifter will move.
Oh.
Boom.
Without even having a key in.
So you guys don't even have to have the key in.
You don't have to have the key in. All I'm doing is pushing down on this little white piece of plastic. You could stick a pen in there. I can literally just stick my finger in and I feel it. And I pull down and then it allows me to move. So that is your hack in case.
Now the reason why it's happening is because the switch for the brakes, the brake light switch, is not working correctly. So you're not going to have brake lights. Somebody behind you is not going to see your brake lights come on, but at least you can get home because you can get out of park and into drive. So in my hand is the old brake light switch. I'll put some links down in the description below where you guys can pick this thing up on Amazon. You can see it's pretty simple. What? Four connectors there. There's a little screw. And this button, as it's pressed down, activates the brake lights. And if you can, get an original Toyota OE switch, because that's the best one, because this lasted, what, 200,000 miles?
Oh, yeah. Actually, it does the reverse. When the brake is forward, it's pushing on the, and then when you push your brake, it releases the trigger. Does that make sense?
So it's like this.
So it sits like this. Not too bad.
Just trying to show them where the switch is.
So there we go. There's our switch. And you'll notice I push in on the brake and it relieves the switch. And I let go of the brake, push on the brake, and it relieves it. And then comes back in. And you can see it's all just held on basically by that one nut.
So if you guys are stuck in a dark alley in Los Angeles, California, and you need to get home, but you can't get out of park, go ahead, stick your finger in the hole, and get yourself home.